Macronutrients and micronutrients in plants. Macronutrients. Elements. Potassium, K, functions. Potassium is absorbed by plants in larger amounts than any other mineral element except nitrogen and, in some cases, calcium. Helps in the building of protein, photosynthesis, fruit quality and reduction of diseases. Potassium is supplied to plants by soil minerals, organic materials, and fertilizer. Deficiency symptom. Older leaves may wilt, look scorched. Interveinal chlorosis begins at the base, scorching inward from leaf margins. Elements. Calcium, Ca, functions, calcium. An essential part of plant cell wall structure, provides for normal transport and retention of other elements as well as strength in the plant. It is also thought to counteract the effect of alkali salts and organic acids within a plant. Sources of calcium are dolomitic lime, gypsum, and superphosphate. Deficiency symptom. New leaves, top of plant, are distorted or irregularly shaped. Causes blossom end rot. Elements. Magnesium, Mg, functions. Magnesium is part of the chlorophyll in all green plants and essential for photosynthesis. It also helps activate many plant enzymes needed for growth. Soil minerals, organic material, fertilizers, and dolomitic limestone are sources of magnesium for plants. Deficiency symptom. Older leaves turn yellow at edge, leaving a green arrowhead shape in the center of the leaf. Elements. Nitrogen, N, functions. Nitrogen is a part of all living cells and is a necessary part of all proteins, enzymes and metabolic processes involved in the synthesis and transfer of energy. Nitrogen is a part of chlorophyll, the green pigment of the plant that is responsible for photosynthesis. Helps plants with rapid growth, increasing seed and fruit production and improving the quality of leaf and forage crops. Nitrogen often comes from fertilizer application and from the air. Legumes get their N from the atmosphere. Water or rainfall contributes very little nitrogen. Deficiency symptom. General yellowing of older leaves, bottom of plant. The rest of the plant is often light green. Elements. Phosphorus, P, functions. Like nitrogen, phosphorus, P, is an essential part of the process of photosynthesis. Involved in the formation of all oils, sugars, starches, etc. Helps with the transformation of solar energy into chemical energy. Proper plant maturation. Withstanding stress. Affects rapid growth. Encourages blooming and root growth. Phosphorus often comes from fertilizer, bone meal, and superphosphate. Deficiency symptom. Leaf tips look burnt, followed by older leaves turning a dark green or reddish purple. Elements. Sulfur, S, functions. Essential plant food for production of protein. Promotes activity and development of enzymes and vitamins. Helps in chlorophyll formation. Improves root growth and seed production. Helps with vigorous plant growth and resistance to cold. Sulfur may be supplied to the soil from rainwater. It is also added in some fertilizers as an impurity, especially the lower-grade fertilizers. The use of gypsum also increases soil sulfur levels. Deficiency symptom. Younger leaves turn yellow first, sometimes followed by older leaves. Micronutrients. Elements. Copper, Cu, functions. Important for reproductive growth. Aids in root metabolism and helps in the utilization of proteins. Deficiency symptom. Leaves are dark green, plant is stunted. Elements. Iron, Fe, functions. Essential for formation of chlorophyll. Sources of iron are the soil, iron sulfate, iron chelate. Deficiency symptom. Yellowing occurs between the veins of young leaves. Elements. Manganese, Mn, functions. Functions with enzyme systems involved in breakdown of carbohydrates. And nitrogen metabolism. Soil is a source of manganese. Deficiency symptom. Yellowing occurs between the veins of young leaves. Pattern is not as distinct as with iron. Palm fronds are stunted and deformed, called frizzle top. Reduction in size of plant parts, leaves, shoots, fruit, generally. Dead spots or patches. Elements. Molybdenum, Mo, functions. Help in the use of nitrogen. Soil is a source of molybdenum. Deficiency symptom. General yellowing of older leaves, bottom of plant. The rest of the plant is often light green. Elements. Zinc, Zn, functions. Essential for the transformation of carbohydrates. Regulates consumption of sugars. Part of the enzyme systems which regulate plant growth. Sources of zinc are soil. Zinc oxide, zinc sulfate, zinc chelate. Deficiency symptom. Terminal leaves may be roseted, and yellowing occurs between the veins of the new leaves. Elements. Boron, B, functions. Helps in the use of nutrients and regulates other nutrients. Aids production of sugar and carbohydrates. Essential for seed and fruit development. Sources of boron are organic matter and borax. Deficiency symptom. Terminal buds die, which is brooms form. Thanks for watching.